feature of this service is the closet organizing feature, which is another fabulous feature. This is where you can literally upload a picture of pieces from your physical closet to the app. And you can write a comment and be like, hey, Gabby, haven't worn this dress ever. Please tell me how to wear it. I want to try to wear it from work to weekend wear. Like, just show me how you can dress it. And I will go to the personal styling feature and I'll show her how to dress it, or show him how to dress his favorite pair of khakis. I mean, options are endless with this. But then also with that closet organizing feature, we can show you what gaps are missing from your wardrobe. Do you need more staple pieces in your closet? Maybe you're a professional and you need to add some more blazers to your closet. This way, your Posh stylist will be able to see those gaps and then go to the personal shopping feature of the app and give you recommendations on how to fill those gaps and maximize your wardrobe in an ultimate way.